Going down?
Yeah.
What for?
Brown. Deep. Thank you.
You're welcome. There's 2 elevators too, it's close by. That's okay. You take whatever you like. It's a big elevator. It's kind of slow. Quite surprising. Didn't expect this one so slow. Here he is, finally. So slow! I've never been on this elevator, and this elevator is kind of slow. I'm going back up. Still slowing down. OMG.
Okay.
Bye, you too. It's kind of slow. Do my cab real quickly. Insta dark wells. It's a Delta elevator at StockYards Village here in Toronto, Ontario. And this thing is slow, so I'm an AG. Not impressed. So slow. This is 5,000 pounds capacity. This is why it's cold edition. That's why the elevator is so slow. It's not even. Now there are levels. Takes forever. I'm not going back up again. Watch the going here to that. So slow. There. Fish. That's it.